want to borrow against your crypto instead of selling it, what does the interest look like? Platforms charge anywhere from 5 to 15% APR, which is typically a pretty normal range. If you divide that by 12, that's going to be your monthly interest. So a 10% APR would be about 0.83% per month. And at 12% APR, that's going to be 1% per month. For example, let's say you want to borrow $5,000 against your crypto. At 10% APR, you're going to be paying $41.66 per month. And at 12% APR, you're going to be paying about $50 per month. Of course, take into account, every single platform is going to have different ranges. Let's talk LTV. LTV stands for loan to value. So a higher LTV means higher risk. Let's say you have $10,000 in crypto and you want to borrow maybe $4,000 or $5,000 against your crypto. That's almost half of your holdings. So you're going to have a very high LTV, which is going to be high risk. That means you're going to be paying more, not even 12%. If you're trying to borrow half against your holdings, you could be paying anywhere from 15 to 20%. Now, instead of having $10,000 in crypto and wanting to borrow half, let's say you had $100,000 in crypto and you wanted to borrow 10%, so let's call it $10,000 cash. That would be a very low risk. So therefore, you'd have very low LTV. In other words, what that means is your monthly is going to be really small. You could be expecting to pay 5%, maybe even lower, 3.5%, 4%, depending on the platform, but that's what you could kind of expect. This was borrowing against your crypto and the interest on the side of it. See you guys.